Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing today? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and remotely update your Plex server. That's including the Plex portion as well as the main OS that you are using. In my case, I'm using Linux, and then I've installed Plex on top of that. So it's two different pieces that need to be updated. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so now that we have PuTTY open, we're going to go ahead and type in our IP address for the server, and then whatever port you have set for it. Hit open. I just log in as root, and whatever your password is. So first things first, we will go ahead and update the OS. This is a version or variant of CentOS that is basically identical to it. So I'm going to go ahead and go yum update. So it looks like we have a whole bunch of updates to do. So we will say yes to this, and we'll go ahead and fast forward. Now we have completely done a system update. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to quickly just cut the video while I reboot the server. You're not going to see anything, you're not going to miss anything. So all of these updates will take effect, and then we will go ahead and move on to physically updating the installation of Plex Media Server itself as well. So now we're going to go ahead and restart this session just to verify that our server's back online. So now we want to jump over to our browser and jump into our management interface through, I guess, whatever web browser you want. So right here, activity, it will prompt you. So now I'm just going to download the update. Typically, when I download the update, I will just download it right onto the drive itself. I won't go into any folders. Save that. Excellent. So now we just need to navigate back to our root folder and then navigate to Samba. And you'll see movies, TV shows, and the file that we need to install. So we go yum local install. I'll usually type Plex and then just hit tab and it'll complete it. Enter. I believe what it's doing right now is just verifying the update. before it just goes ahead and allows us to install. You're going to hit Y, enter. This could take, depending on how out of date your server is and like how quick it is, this could take a couple minutes. So we're going to go ahead and just speed this process up. Go. The update has been installed, so I'm going to go ahead and just pause it here, and then I'm going to go ahead and just reboot the server. And the reason I do shutdown rather than the reboot command, because the reboot command basically just shuts it down anyways. If there's something going on there, I really don't care. Most of the time the server just sits there and runs anyways. So we will be back once this thing's done powering back up. Okay, so we should be able to go ahead, restart this session, log back in, jump over to our web browser. We should be able to go jump back into the management interface without any issue. Deal with that later. That's new, but that's awesome. So now, at this point, your Plex server, the OS plus the Plex Media Server app itself is now fully up to date. I hope this video has helped. So I hope you enjoyed the video, as well as I hope this was able to help you with getting your Plex box all updated, or even just getting Plex itself to update so it'll stop notifying you. As well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload, as well as if I ever go live, which I might do in the future maybe. So I hope to see you in the next one.